Number 9 from your study guide asks us to simplify I to the 27th down to either just some whole number or some number times I. So I need to recognize, well actually first, let me go over here on the right side. I know that I to the 4th is important for this problem. I know that because I to the 4th is I times I times I times I, and I know that I is root negative 1. So I can rewrite that as root negative 1 times root negative 1 times root negative 1 times 1 more root negative 1. Hopefully you can see that. From there, I know that these guys, well, they multiply out to give me a negative 1 because it's a root negative 1 squared. Same thing with these guys. They multiply out to give me a root negative 1 squared, so I get negative 1. Now these guys, so I'm multiplying in between here because there's a multiply sign there. So multiply those guys, I get a double negative, I just get straight up 1. So I know that I to the 4th is equal to 1. I'm going to use that in this problem. So what I'm going to do is say that that is equal to, I know what I got to do is calculate the number closest to 27 that's not over 27 that's divisible by 4. That number is 24. You'll see why in a moment. Hopefully you already know why. Then I need for that to be equal to this I to the 27th. I need to add 3 more i's being multiplied, and then those exponents add up to 27. I'm going to use another exponent rule here. I to the 4th to the 8th. Notice 4 times 8 is that 24. So it's just another way of writing that term right there. And then I'm still left with the I cubed. The reason why I do that is because this, as we just showed here, is 1. So this is really equal to 1 to the 8th times I cubed. Now I know that 1 to the 8th is just 1, so this is just I cubed. So I've taken this 27 and reduced it all the way down to that I cubed. From here, this is I times I times I, and there's lots of ways to kind of think about this, which I know that's root negative 1 times root negative 1. Actually, I'm going to do this a little bit differently. Hold on. I'm going to go, that is I squared times I, which I know that I kind of just did the work for I squared here, but I'll do it again. I is root negative 1. So I've got I squared, that's replacing that first term, and then the I here comes back down. This cancels with that, square each other out, gives me negative 1 times I, which is just negative I. And that's all for that. Hopefully that's not that bad.